Looking for a versatile kitchen appliance that can do much more than just grilling? The Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 indoor grill and air fryer combines 6 cooking functions into one compact machine. With grilling temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it promises juicy grilled food, crispy air-fried meals, and much more. But is it worth buying? Let's find out. The Ninja Foodi offers 6 cooking functions: grill, air fry, roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate. Its high-temperature grilling system reaches up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, creating authentic grill marks while locking in flavor and juices. The air frying function uses rapid hot air circulation to produce crispy food with less oil, making it a healthier alternative to deep frying. It also features an easy-to-use digital control panel, adjustable temperature settings, a built-in timer, and removable non-stick cooking accessories that simplify cleanup after every meal. One of the biggest advantages is its versatility. Instead of buying several appliances, you get 6 cooking methods in one compact unit. It heats up quickly, cooks food evenly, and delivers excellent grilling results indoors without charcoal or propane. The air fryer produces crispy fries, wings, and vegetables with less oil, while the removable non-stick parts make cleaning fast and convenient. The main drawback is its size. It takes up a noticeable amount of countertop space. Its cooking capacity may also be limited if you're preparing meals for a large family or a big gathering, so you might need to cook in multiple batches. This appliance is perfect for anyone who loves grilled food but prefers the convenience of indoor cooking. It's ideal for apartments, small kitchens, busy families, and home cooks who want one appliance that can replace several others. The Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 indoor grill and air fryer is a powerful and versatile appliance that delivers excellent cooking performance in a compact design. If you're looking for an all-in-one indoor grill with reliable air frying and roasting capabilities, it's definitely worth considering. Check the affiliate link in the description below for today's best price. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more kitchen gadget reviews.